Hi everyone, welcome to the beautiful Beehive in Montpellier Villas. Really lovely pub, absolutely cracking local, and home to one of our publicly accessible defibrillators. This was donated by G4S and the cabinet was donated by Tidal. So here we are, one upside down tick. You can just see that there in our Zoll AD+. I've actually just given it a really good check over, a full service check. Slammed the cabinet, nice and solid. When you slam your cabinet for a Defib Store 4000, always pull the handle down, just give it a nice big pull, make sure it's all good as gold. Now, Richard, the manager here, very nice man, has just very kindly accepted our request to pop a Public Hearts donation tin at the bar. So there's the lovely man himself, very kind. There he is saying hi. All part of the Defib family, and we're absolutely delighted to put this donation tin here to make sure that our Defibs remain maintained and rescue ready. So come and support your local pub, come and get yourself into the Beehive and have an absolutely super weekend.